Hello everyone, Marco's back, the new American conservative, with more important info not everyone can stomach. Bed tax, BED, bed tax in Florida came out 50% less than expected for a month of March. Under 10 million projected, came out under 5 million. Okay, we got, Corona and all this crazy stuff going on. The bottom line is the government, the state DeSantis did not get the extra 5 million he needed just for a month of March. This is a big deal, as most states are broke. Most cities in the United States are broke. It's not just liberal, they are extra broke. But now you got Republican-run states like Florida having major problems. And this is where you have another issue now to really, really worry about, which is the erosion of states' rights. It's almost like you can compare it to the universal basic income. It'll be like a universal rights for every single state. And the way things are looking, it's not going to be something that people on the right would prefer. This looks like complete socialist / communist policies that are being pushed on, especially in election year. It's a run to socialism between two parties who can give out more free stuff so they can get elected. It's really scary what is going on. If you think this is not going to happen, you think Trump's going to save you, look around. Don't listen to what he and them are saying. Watch what they are doing. We've been ordered to hide inside our own homes while they destroyed businesses. They're not opening up. 2.5 million jobs got lost last week. Just last week, almost 3 million. Because when government says 2 or 2.5, it's probably just add another, million on top of that. So let's just round it up to 3 million jobs, 1 week gone on top of already a mountain of jobs lost since this whole thing started back in March. So the biggest problem here is these job losses happened after we opened Florida up, which means business owners were hoping that things were going to be normal with a switch on, back on economy, like Trump said, it's going to be booming. It's going to be okay. And now they had to lay all these people off because people did not show up. And this is just at the beginning, because I was out with my wife yesterday, and some of our favorite places here on the beach, prime real estate, they're not opening up. And I know some of them, already met them not being here for too long. And they are disgusted with what is going on. And they all thought it was going to be, quick in and out procedure, a couple of weeks. It kind of made sense. Let's just see what this crazy virus was going to do. Wait a little bit, flatten the curve, whatever they're calling it. And get the data in. Open back up, because most of these businesses could not sustain more than 10 days not having positive cash flow going in. So state rights erosion, and on top of that, you got major job losses all over the country. I mean, you cannot get worse news, and meanwhile stock market just seems to shrug all of it off. So just so bad. You can just see how everything is so rigged. Everything is against the middle class, and it's going to continue, and it's going to get a lot worse. So we got to prepare. All Trump cult, all the QAnons, everybody that's been taking the wrong red pill needs to just say, all right, let's just step back for a second. And let's prepare, because things are not looking good. Trump is not going to save you. If you're not disappointed yet, you will be. You might be one of those lucky ones that still has, you still have your job, everything is fine. But you don't understand that can change tomorrow. or the money you have saved up cannot buy anything because hyperinflation most likely will be coming, which I talked about purchasing power and everything in the previous video. You have to protect yourself by becoming your own bank, and obviously security. Second Amendment is a big deal. A lot of you know that. Left, right, a lot of people understand that, especially nowadays, as criminals are being let go while regular people are being locked up for opening their business or reading a book on the beach. I mean, it's just crazy. So gold, silver, platinum, whatever, palladium, some hard tangible assets, especially gold and silver, it's a must. Make sure you're not overpaying for premiums. Watch what you're doing. Selections are very limited nowadays because a lot of people already bought up a lot of stuff, and dealers are, just saying, hey, we don't have much going on, so you're gonna have to pay all this. So be aware of what you're doing. Make sure your gold is 24 carats, and your silver, you see it 3 nines. Don't look what it's on it, how cute it looks. Is it pure? 3 nines, 0.999 is all you need. Silver is around 20 bucks with premiums right now, maybe a little more. Eagles in some places are 23, but you can find some, like I said, that may not have to be Eagles. It's fine. Gold is expensive, and it's going to get a lot more expensive. So, please prepare. Trump is not going to help you. He's just another politician that's a lot more fun to watch because he's entertaining. Please do so. Time is running out. Social unrest, when people start to realize this, unfortunately, is coming. You gotta prepare. Be your own security, your own bank. I love you all. More videos coming with details about how to prepare and what is coming. I love you all. Later.